What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie McQueen. In this video, I'm going to be testing two different methods of cleaning your oven door and inside your oven. I've seen these methods all over the internet and people say they really work. And for this video, I'm just going to be cleaning my oven door just to keep it simple. But the first method is used with just baking soda, pouring the baking soda just directly on there and then using a Dollar Tree sponge. And then you just scrub away. I'm not gonna lie, I immediately noticed that this was not working very well. I could just tell that it was not very strong. It just was not strong enough to get all of the grease up. And don't mind my dog trying to be nosy. So yeah, this method was just not doing it for me. As you can tell, it is still really dirty and it pretty much did a whole lot of nothing. I would not waste your time trying to clean your oven like this. The second method is the famous pink stuff with a scrub daddy. Now, I have never used the pink stuff before, but what I've seen is you just grab it and you just rub it all over your oven door with your gloves. And already I can see the stuff taking off a lot of the grease and grime before I have even done anything. Just me rubbing it into the door like this is already bringing up some of the gunk that is on the door. After I rubbed it in, I did let it sit for about 10 minutes, and now I'm just using the Scrub Daddy to really get in there and get off the grease and grime. Already I can tell that this did a way better job than the baking soda and water. It actually worked pretty nice. I was a little disappointed because I thought that it would do so much better based off the videos that I watched. However, maybe I should have left it on like just a little longer, 20 or 30 minutes, and it would have taken things off better. But overall, it did do a really good job. In comparison, as you can see, it looks a lot more clean than the other side. I would say that overall, I thought that the pink stuff did a good job and it is worth it. I'm curious if I left it longer. I did go back and clean the whole door with the pink stuff and it looks not too bad. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.